Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to vlogmas day 18. For today's vlog, I thought I'd share with you the tea that I like to make when I feel like there's like cold coming on, or when I feel like a little tinkle in my throat, or like I just feel like I need to like cleanse. So I'm gonna show you what it is. It's really easy. There's only like 3 ingredients in it. And so yeah, let's go. This will probably be a voiceover. Yeah, this is gonna be a voiceover. But yeah, let's go. So for this tea, I use honey and also lemon and ginger. And of course, you're gonna need water. So here I'm basically just peeling the ginger, and then you're going to see towards the end that I'm going to cut both sides of the ginger, just because the sides seem a little bit dried. Lemon, I try to take all the seeds out, and then I'm basically just going to cut the slices. Now you'll see in the clip that my knife was really not that sharp, so it took me a little bit to cut. Like you see, it just wasn't cutting. So my bad, I need to get a sharper knife. Basically just put to boil the water, I put it on high, and then I'm going to add the ginger and the lemon slices. I'm going to leave this on until it starts to boil. Now when it starts to boil, I do turn the heat down to low medium and just let it simmer for a bit so I get all the juices out of the ginger and the lemon. Now I use my little strainer, and I basically just pour the liquid inside that and let the strainer catch all the lemon and the ginger. For the honey, I don't really do a measurement of the honey, I just pour it in and that's it. course, I stir everything just to make sure it's all well blended. That's it today's vlog. See you guys tomorrow. Bye guys. Say bye.